Today I'm going to show you how to take a file like this in Audacity and split it into multiple files like this, which you can then share as individual tracks. Let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is add the file we want to record into Audacity. Now we can do it in one of two ways. Either we drag the file in or we record something. I'm just going to record something quickly. File 1, File 2, File 3, File 4. Okay, so that's our recording, our base recording we're going to use that we're going to split into multiple files. Now what we want to do is first of all trim the parts that we don't want. So I'm removing the part at the beginning that we don't need, as well as this part at the end. Okay, so now we want to add the splits at this point, these points here in the middle, and then we also want to save them and label them. So the easiest way to do this would be to first insert split points. So I'd click at the point where I want to insert it, go to Edit, click Boundaries, and Split. Simple as that. The shortcut for that is Command I, or if you're on a Windows, is Control I. So I'll use that the third time. Okay, so when I come in here, again, I'm just going to press Command I or Control I on the Windows. Okay, so I have my files the way I want them split. The next thing I need to do is label these files so that they would have the different file names that I'm expecting them to have. I'm just going to double click on the area that I want to select. By double clicking in that area, because I've already split it, I can just select the area that I need. Then I go to labels and then add label at selection. But note that the shortcut is Command B. We'll use that next. So we do that. On a Windows, it would be Control B. Now what we're going to do is just type in the label name. So let's call it just 01. We'll do the same for the next one. Press Command B, 02. Next one, Command B, 03. And then the final one, Command B, 04. Okay, so we have all the files we need. The next thing we need to do is export the files. So we're going to go to File, we're going to go to Export, and then we're going to click on Export Multiple. Okay, so in here we have the folder where the file is going to be saved. I'm actually going to change the folder a little bit and add a new folder called Splits. Okay, or no, Split Files. Like that better. Okay, then I'm going to make sure that labels is selected over here. So we're going to export by labels, and we're not going to change anything here. So what we could do if we wanted was to change the naming such that it gave a number after a name prefix, but we don't want to do that. We've already labeled the names, labeled each track with a name, so 01, 02, 03, 04. So all we have to do now is click on export, then add in any metadata we want. These are the default metadata, and I'm okay with that. I'll press OK. Just do that a few times. And there we have it. So the files are saved in the folder called split files 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me show you those files right now. So here are the files 1, 2, 3, 4, and we can play them back to make sure they are the right files. File 1, File 2, File 3, File 4. Okay, and there you have it. Those are the files that we've just split using Audacity. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to get more tutorials like these. Alright, I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye.